If you want to tell me your parents' number, I'll call them for you.
I don't know my parents' number.
You don't know their number?
Can you not stand behind me, please?
I'm not behind you. Behind you is that car.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Audit the Law. This is your host, San Joaquin. In this video, we're going to discuss the importance of recording police. The cops have this kid hemmed up, and after this lady shows up recording, they let him go. Don't forget that freedom of the press is part of the First Amendment. You don't need a press pass or credentials to record police. Let's get right to it.
So then they move to the other side of the vehicle so I can't hear what's going on, but I can walk around. And look at this one. He got a gun. I don't got nothing but my voice, and I'm intimidating to them. Story of our lives.
Just trying to keep it so
Story of our lives. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to my viewers, not you.
Well, then I'm trying to narrate.
I don't need your narration. I don't need your narration. Your narration means nothing to any of us.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Audit the Law. Today's video is coming to you from Rashida Hamid. Be sure to head on over and give her credit for this video. Folks, this video is a perfect example as to why we as a community should be watching out for each other. A couple of weeks ago, Rashida was walking around her block. While doing so, she comes across a couple of San Diego police officers who have a young individual in the back of their car. Upset as to why they are questioning him, Rashida pulls her phone out to record these cops.
These police just... Can I have your name and badge number?
Yeah, it's Watson 7979.
Watson, what was it? I didn't hear you.
7979.
7979. Okay.
Can you just...
If you want to tell me your parents' number, I'll call them for you.
I don't know my parents' number.
You don't know their number?
Can you not stand behind
Stay
me,
here
please?
because
I'm not behind you. Behind you is that car.
Well, can you just like stand over there?
I'm right here. I'm not in anywhere in a distance that's dangerous to you. Okay, that's fine.
just stand in front of him so you're facing him. I'll just stand over here.
Yeah, he got his bodyguard right here. And your name and badge number, please?
Temnick 6258.
Okay. See how they try to do, you guys? They try to block it so that what they do illegally is not seen on video. This is a minor that they have in the back of the car who has requested his parents, and they have not granted that minor his request. Cop watchers, I need you guys on 40th in Boston immediately. They try to intimidate us in our own communities every day. And we're going to get it on tape every single time. Every single time. So what did you do?
I didn't do nothing. I was just walking through the park and they stopped me.
Officer Watson, if you need to make contact with the other side of the car, go right ahead.
So then they move to the other side of the vehicle so I can't hear what's going on, but I can walk around. And look at this one. He got a gun. I don't got nothing but my voice, and I'm intimidating to them. Story of our lives.
Just trying to keep it so
Story of our lives. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to my viewers, not you.
Well, then I'm trying to narrate.
I don't need your narration. I don't need your narration. Your narration means nothing to any of us.
I understand that you think that my
you're
opinion
wasting
means
your
nothing.
breath. You're wasting your breath and taxpayer dollars.
Okay.
A 2018 law directs police to provide youth, aged 15 or younger, an opportunity to consult with an attorney by phone, in person, or by video conference before they can take a waiver of Miranda rights or a statement from the youth. The code section that explains this law is California Welfare and AMP, Institutions Code 625.6. The law does not permit the youth or parent to waive the legal consultation. This means the youth or their parent cannot tell the police officer they can go ahead and interview them without first talking to an attorney. The law is rooted in the science that youth struggle, as compared to adults, to understand the meaning of their rights and consequences of a waiver. Mainly that anything the minor says to the police officer can be used against them in their case. This is why it is important to teach our youth their rights and what to do when questioned by police.
So now he's asking him about playing sports. So is it a traffic stop? Did he commit a violation, or are they just wasting his time? And mine too, because I have to stay here until this is over or until the rest relief comes. I left work for this. As though they're the only ones with a job to do. Harassing people, black and brown people, in their own neighborhoods. Your kids are not safe at the park because the police will find a reason to harass our kids. But we're going to keep documenting it every time and filing appropriate complaints. Stopping people from coming home.
A few more minutes.
You probably fit
Can you fit through there?
Yeah.
Act like you doing somebody a favor. Fucking idiots.
One more.
Is the AC running in that car while you have all the windows rolled up? So he can't go because of why? Ask him why you can't go. They're looking for stuff?
Yeah, because I was walking through the park because last time they took me and beat me up. So,
The police beat you up?
yeah.
I know that happened too. That's what they try to do when no one's watching. That's why it won't happen this time. They pissed off because I'm here. They probably wanted to do it again. But I got badge numbers, so drive off with him and beat him up if you want to. Thank God I got a call to come down here. It's no telling what they would have done to you if no one was watching, especially if you said they beat you up before. And I believe you because I know how their type. I know their type. I do this for a living. And so do many other of my colleagues. So I know their type. You be safe, okay, baby? You need to call anybody? You can use my phone if you need to. You all right?
He's got a phone.
I'm talking to him. Why are you in my business?
You have a blessed.
No, you need to have a blessed day. Absolutely.
Can you
Yes.
send me that video so I could use it
Yes.
against them?
Yes, absolutely.
619.
I want them. That's my numbers. And call me right now. This you 599?
Huh?
Or
Wait,
somebody else? Yeah, Corey. 559. That's you. Okay.
yeah.
This was 100% a non-consensual encounter between the young man and these blue line thugs, meaning these cops held him here and questioned him against his will. Now, one would try to make the argument that there was legal justification for these officers to question this kid, and to counter that argument, just show them the end of the video, where these officers release this young man. If this young man was really suspected of a crime, then these cops would have arrested him. The fact of the matter is, these cops were attempting to intimidate him, to get him to either confess to something or divulge information. Either way, the young man was released and was able to ask for the video from Rashida. For that, I ask that you all head on over to her channel, subscribe, and I will see you all over in her comments. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching.